God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way, there is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, where the Most High dwells. God is within her. She will not fall. Nations are in uproar. Kingdoms fall. He lifts his voice. The earth melts. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. Come and see what the Lord has done. Be still and know that I am God. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress.